Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve 5 to the power x plus 25 to the power x is equal to 50, or this 5 to the power x plus this 25, this can be written as 5 squared and whole to the power x is equal to right side is 50, or this 5 to the power x plus 5 square whole to the power x, this can be written as 5 to the power this x and whole to the power this 2 is equal to 50, or considering this 5 to the power x as m, we can write this as m plus this 5 to the power x as m, so it will be m square is equal to 50. Here m is equal to 5 to the power x, or rearranging this and taking this 50 to left side, we can write this m square plus this m, and taking this 50 to left side, it will be negative 50 is equal to 0, or this is a quadratic equation, so the solution of this equation, m is equal to, consider this as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So comparing this, we can write negative b means negative of b means the coefficient of n, it will be 1 plus or minus square root of b square means the coefficient of m, so it will be 1, so 1 square minus 4 times ca, so 4 times c means this negative 50 times a means the coefficient of m square, so this is 1 over 2 times a means 2 times a means the coefficient of m square, which is 1, or m is equal to this negative 1 plus or minus square root of this 1 square is 1 and negative 4 times negative 50 is 200 and times this one is positive 200 over this 2 times 1 is 2, or this m is equal to this negative 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 200 is 201 over this 2. Now taking this positive, we can write m is equal to negative 1 plus square root of 201 over this 2, or for this negative, it will be m is equal to negative 1 minus square root of 201 over this 2. Now for this first case, or substituting this value of m is equal to 5 to the power x, here we can write 5 to the power x is equal to this negative 1 plus square root of 201 over these 2, or taking log to both sides, we can write log of this 5 to the power x is equal to log of -1 plus square root of 2001 over this 2, or according to this logarithm formula, log a to the power b as b log a. So applying this, we can write x log 5 is equal to, this right side is log of -1 plus square root of 200 on over this 2, or divided both side by log 5, we can write x is equal to this log of this -1 plus square root of 200 on over this 2 and divided by this log of 5. Now this can be written as x is equal to log this 5 base of this -1 plus square root of 201 over this 2. So this is one solution, and for the second case, m is equal to -1 minus square root of 201 over 2. So for this case, we can write m is equal to -1 minus square root of 201 over this 2. Now substituting here the value of m is equal to 5 to the power x is equal to -1 minus square root of 201 over this 2. So 5 to the power x is always positive for any real value of x. So this left side is always positive, and -1 minus square root of 200 on, so this is always negative, and divided by 2, this right side is always negative. So left side is always positive and right side is always negative. So there is no solution for real number. So the only real solution for this equation, x is equal to log of 5 base -1 plus square root of 200 on over 2. So this is the solution of this given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.